This is a case of phlegmatogenous retinal detachment. We start our case by injecting a small amount of triamcinolone. This helps us in peripheral vitreous shaving in all directions. It also helps us in induction of posterior vitreous detachment. In this case, the cause of retinal detachment is this lattice degeneration with multiple holes. So once we have identified the culprit, we start by highlighting the edges of this lattice degeneration by using a diathermy. Once the diathermy is complete, we have to remove all the dense vitreous adhesions which are normally present around the lattice degeneration. In this case, we use a high cut rate and low vacuum. So you can see there is a small retinotomy through which now we are draining the dense SRF, which is seen as a streak of this yellow fluid. And we also need to highlight the edge of the retinotomy. This is followed by fluid drainage from the retinotomy site. After that, this is followed by a fluid air exchange, and we keep on draining more SRF from the retinotomy which was initially made. Fluid needs to be repeatedly drained from the primary retinotomy and from over the disc. The soft silicone tip can be used to drain the remaining amount of SRF. It is safe to go beneath the retina and choroid without causing any damage. Once the retina is settled under air, this is followed by 2 to 3 rows of confluent laser burns around the retinotomy as well as the area of lattice degeneration. So we can see in the end the retinotomy and the lattice degeneration is now nicely covered with laser burns around it. Once the retina is well settled, we have used silicone oil as our tamponading agent.